right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, calling them clients doesn't change the fact that they're your customer. All right, let's talk semantics in auto repair. Now, there's good reasons to change what you call something, and there's stupid reasons to call it something else. So we're going to talk about that. Back when I was a wee lad, I worked at Six Flags, and we were told they weren't customers, they were guests. Doesn't mean anything. Calling them a client doesn't change the fact that they're your customer. You know, let's go with the definition of client. A person or organization using the services of a lawyer or other professional person or company. It's semantics. Customer. Definition. A person or organization that buys goods or services from a store or business. Potato, potato. Literally. Potato or potato. But you're trying to elevate your things by calling them a client. They're not. They're just a customer. You're not their buddy. You're not their friend. They're your customer. Changing what you call them doesn't change anybody's attitude about it. Going back to when your service writer, because he has to call them clients. Is that going to change his attitude toward them? No. He's going to treat them the exact same way he would have treated them before. Hopefully good, but it doesn't change anything. Calling them clients doesn't change anything. Just like calling a guest doesn't change the fact that they're a customer. I believe it started on IATN, but they started calling worthless customers that weren't worth your time consumers because they consumed your time and didn't really produce anything. That's probably a better term for a lot of customers than, client. But at least it connotates something different than client versus customer. I know this is semantics, but that's kind of the point of the video. Now, there's reasons to call something different. A great example of that is diagnostics. Diagnostics, unfortunately, has gotten a bad name in the automotive industry. When you say diagnostics, people immediately conjure up the scan that they got at AutoZone, and that's diagnostics. It's not. It's not diagnostics. We know that. That's not a misnomer. There are shops out there that will call it testing, evaluation. I don't like evaluation, by the way. I think it's stupid. Evaluations to me says you're not going to know how to fix the vehicle. You're just going to look at it. It just to me says, well, we're going to kind of try to figure out maybe what's going on with your car. No, testing is testing. And I think it's a much better term to use than evaluation. Now, evaluation is fine when it's like a pre-trip inspection or a thorough inspection. That's fine. That's, looking over the vehicle, that's the 14 million point inspection kind of thing where, DVI inspection. Evaluation's fine for that. I don't think it works for diagnostic or testing. I think that's where that differentiation is. I'm sure some people will disagree with me. Get over your fancy self. They're your customers. Move on. It doesn't change anything. So just a little rant about fake names. So hope you enjoyed this video as always. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.